Hey everyone, ready for another deep dive? This time, we're looking at Harmony blockchain.
Yeah, always an exciting space.
Really pushing boundaries, I think. More than just like transactions. Here's AI, all these community projects.
It's really interesting, right? That blend of tech and community and the whole AI thing is just exploding right now.
It's wild. So we're going off their blog post, October 2024.
Yeah.
100% external AI memes recovery elections. Catchy title.
Definitely grabs your attention, gives you a sense of what Harmony's been up to.
Published November 4th, so super recent. And get this, they're talking 1 second finality AI memes. Like what?
AI memes, right? It's like, where is this all going? But yeah, Harmony's October was packed. Technical milestones, community stuff.
Yeah, I was reading about that 1 second finality. Imagine that. Sending crypto. Boom, confirmed.
Changes everything. Speed, efficiency.
Hmm.
Could be huge for Harmony.
No more waiting around, biting your nails. Did it go through?
Yeah.
It's like that. And on top of that, they integrated XAI's Grok model into their one bot.
So now you've got all these AI features right there. Gemini 1.5, Claude Sonnet, GPT-4 Vision, even DALL-E 3. It's a lot.
It's almost like, whoa, too much. But it's cool. It's like this bridge between blockchain and, well, the future, basically.
And don't forget the community aspect. Harmony really emphasizes that.
Yeah, they highlight it a lot. All these projects, Kings and Quests, Swap Country, CryptoLand DAO, list goes on.
Not just development either. They're talking about RMC elections. Those are the recovery multi-sig custodians.
Shows their series about decentralization, giving users a real say.
Exactly. So you want to meet the team behind all this. The blog post introduces a bunch of them, what they were working on.
Yeah, it's cool to put faces to the code, see who's making it all happen.
Humanizes it a bit, right? Like, oh, there's a person who spent their month fixing that bug.
Exactly. So first up, we've got SUF, refining the total supply script, fixing bugs, prepping for HIP32.
And tackling a fork issue? Sounds intense. Those can be tricky.
Then there's Artem, launched a new test market on one market, working on pump.fun as well. All about user-friendly tools, it seems.
Yeah, gotta make it easy for people, right? That's how you get adoption.
For sure. Then Geis, focusing on Shard1 block production, fixing those stream disconnectivity issues.
Keeping the network running smoothly, essential stuff, especially with that 1 second finality goal.
Absolutely. And we've got Rikako, debugging stuff, created a Dune dashboard for Whalepool Orca analytics.
Dune dashboards, that's all about visualizing data, seeing trends. In this case, Whirlpool Orca, which is a platform on Harmony.
So they're getting insights into what's happening. Good for decision-making, I guess.
Data's everything these days, right? Especially in crypto.
True that. Okay, next up, Konstantin, key player in that 1 second finality push, optimizing gas price tracking for Ethereum transactions.
They're all about that speed and efficiency. Makes a big difference for users.
Right, who wants to wait around forever? Not me. Then we've got Theo, secured a one listing on Dex Screener.
That's big for visibility. More traders, more investors, potentially more volume.
Harmony getting out there, onto the main stage. Then there's Frank, deep in the AI world, finished with the Grok integration, worked on the bonding curve DApp interface.
Making AI accessible. It's Harmony's whole thing, isn't it? Blockchain, AI, community, all connected.
Seems like it. Next, we have ULAD, more behind-the-scenes stuff, removing backup nodes, improving consensus monitoring, smaller SnapTV snapshots.
Like cleaning up the engine room, making it all run smoother and more efficiently.
Gotta have someone doing that, right? Then lastly, Sun, tackling transaction tracing and Shard Zero. Supported for transparency, I imagine.
Yeah, being able to track where things go, accountability, builds trust.
Makes sense. So, wow, that's a lot of names, a lot of expertise.
The whole Harmony team just firing on all cylinders.
All right, so this 1 second finality,
Yeah.
it's kind of hard to wrap my head around. Like, in real terms, how does that change things?
Okay, think of it like this. You're sending, I don't know, some one tokens, right, to a friend.
Good.
Boom, 1 second, done. Confirmed, finalized. No waiting around.
See, that's what gets me. Other blockchains, you can be sitting there like 5 minutes, 10 minutes.
Exactly. And it's not magic. It's Harmony's consensus mechanism, plus a lot of optimization. Constantine, remember. Gas price tracking.
Right, right. But like, for regular people, what's the big benefit? Besides, not waiting.
Think about payments. Just instant. Or using dApps, everything's snappier. It's about responsiveness.
Okay, yeah, that makes sense. Convenience for sure.
But also security. Less risk of double spending and such if it's finalized that fast.
So it's faster, safer. Is there a downside? Sounds too good to be true.
Well, the tech is complex, but Harmony's proving it works. It's a big advantage, that's for sure.
Okay, I'm convinced. Now, shifting gears a bit, this whole AI
That's
thing,
the one bot stuff.
I get that it interacts with AI models, but I'm still fuzzy on the how. Like, give me an example.
Say you need to translate something, Spanish to English, right? Instead of another app, you just ask one bot.
And it uses, what was it, Claude Sonnet?
Could be that, yeah. Or you need a summary of a long article, there's Gemini 1.5.
Wow. So it's like built right in. No need to jump around.
Exactly. Or DALL-E 3, make an image. GPT-4 Vision, analyze a photo. The bot's your hub?
That's wild. And then they were talking about AI creating, like, religions through memes.
I know, right? The founders have been exploring some deep stuff.
AI making memes is one thing, but religion, how's that even work?
So think about it. AI gets good enough, it makes memes that really tap into us. Emotionally, even spiritually.
And those spread like wildfire, I guess.
Exactly. People start seeing meaning in them, forming beliefs around them. It's a possibility, at least.
It's kind of scary, kind of fascinating. Like, where's the line between tech and, well, faith?
It's a big question, and I don't think anyone has the answer yet. But Harmony's out there thinking about it.
Makes you think, that's for sure. So we've done 1 second finality, AI going philosophical. What's next?
Well, Harmony's October wasn't just about tech. DeFi was big too, plus the community keeps growing.
Right, DeFi it is. Always exciting to see what's happening in that space. DeFi. Right. It's like the future of finance, but it's happening now. What did Harmony do there?
Well, two big things, really. They got listed on DeFi Llama and Dex Screener.
Okay, but like, for someone who's not super into DeFi, why is that a big deal?
Think of it this way. Imagine you open a restaurant, and suddenly you're on all the food delivery apps, right? More customers.
Ah, okay. So DeFi Llama, Dex Screener, those are like the discovery platforms.
Exactly. It puts Harmony's DeFi projects in front of more people, more investors, more traders.
Makes sense. So visibility, legitimacy, all that good stuff.
Yeah, exactly. And then, don't forget, Binance announced support for their upgrades, hard forks, all that.
Oh, right. That's got to be huge. Binance is like the king, right?
Pretty much. When they back you, it sends a signal. Stability, trust. Investors love to see that.
Okay, so we've got the tech, the AI, DeFi's growing, and the community, all these projects popping up.
It's really impressive how Harmony's doing all these things at once, building a whole ecosystem.
And they're actually putting the community in charge, too. The RMC elections, that's a big deal.
Decentralization in action, right. The community gets to decide who controls those recovery funds.
Yeah, it's not just talk. They're walking the walk. So, wow, Harmony's October was a lot.
It was. And it all points to this future where blockchain, AI, it's all intertwined, shaping how we live.
Makes you wonder, what's next? What'll they come up with in November, December?
Who knows? But one thing's for sure, it'll be exciting to watch. Harmony's definitely one to keep an eye on.
I think so, too. And that wraps up our deep dive into Harmony's October. What a month.
It was. And hey, we want to hear from you. What stood out to you the most? Hit us up on social media. Let's discuss.
Absolutely. Thanks for joining us, and until next time, keep exploring the world of blockchain.